Hey guys, Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today I just want to do a quick update on our sheds. So this is the goat shed we treated with the Thompsons water seal just by spraying it on, and that was about a year ago. And as you can see, there's some grain down here in the bottom. We'll show you the back. This gets less sun. Obviously this looks, don't mind my bad roof. The overhang is way too much and we had a lot of snow and it collapsed. So where the sun there and the bigger overhang, it's a little bit better. Down there where it's splashing obviously is going to be grade. And let's go to the side. So the sides don't have much overhang either. And then the front, I think the front looks more faded basically because the sun in combination with the water. But it could really use another coat. Or to be stained with something better. You know, it's a quick solution, and like as you can see here, there was a little bit of, this is the flood stuff on this board, and a little bit got over here. So you can see directly on top of it, or next to each other, that the flood obviously gave more protection than just that other stuff. We're gonna look at our shed, which we did about 2 years ago, and that's gonna be the flood stuff that we painted on with a brush. Obviously a lot longer of an application, but I think you'll see the results and what you, give you an idea of what you want to do for longevity on how long or how often you want to do this. You guys act like you haven't been fed today. All right, here's the shed that we used flood on. There's minimal overlap on the roof here, and you can see some of it's starting to gray. It's not too bad. Some of it's starting to wear away. Let's go look at the other side. Excuse the mess. This is not a perfect building, and it was pretty much call it a little hoopty shed. You can see some grain down here where it's splashing, and we have some wood storage here. Don't mind me, just the evaporator storage right there. The back actually looks pretty good. You know, we have the tree coverage here. It's kind of hard to see with the shade, but yeah, this looks good. This is the same lumber as down there on the goat shed, but then, you know, it's not a perfect lean-to, and this is not covering it 100%, so the water is draining down onto this. Eventually this is going to turn into an issue, but this shed's not meant forever. I obviously want to make something bigger, better eventually. So you can see substantially more water damage or wearing on this side, especially over here. It wasn't 100% square, so that's why it looks like that. But it's just a cheap little lean-to, and it's doing the job for now. Plenty of haters, you know, but it works. Lawnmower's in there, keeps it stored. So that's it, guys. I just figured I'd let you know. A lot of people commenting how it's holding up, and if I were to do it again, I would probably just go with painting on the better stuff, because that Thompson's water seal, quick solution. It's not going to last forever unless you're going to reapply over and over again. And you know, when you do this, it kind of brightens it up a little bit. So I don't know, comment down below what you think looks better or what you would do.